Hi, and welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Audacity to record web browser content step by step. This method is perfect for capturing audio from online videos, streaming platforms, or any other browser-based audio. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Let's dive in. Step 1. To get started, open Audacity on your computer. The first thing you'll need to do is set up Audacity to capture desktop audio. Go to the Audio Setup menu located near the top of the screen. Click on Host, and from the drop-down menu, select Windows WASAPI. This ensures Audacity can record audio coming directly from your computer. Step 2. Next, choose your recording device. If you're using headphones, select Headphones from the list. If not, choose Speakers. This step is crucial because it tells Audacity where to capture the audio from. Step 3. Now it's time to record. Click on the Record button in Audacity. Open your web browser and play the content you'd like to record. As the audio plays, you'll see the waveform appear in Audacity, confirming that it's capturing the sound. Once the audio has finished, click Stop in Audacity to end the recording. You can now edit your file. And that's it! You've successfully recorded web browser content using Audacity. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.